Cable secure. Engaging main winch. Maintain descent rate at 5 meters per minute.
The current is pulling us off target. We're losing stabilization.
I'm adjusting the ballast now. Hold her steady, we can't lose the array.
Clear that silt from the lower compartment.
We are losing pressure on line 3.
Adjust the pump settings now.
The readout on Sector 4.
I see the subsurface irregularities.
Cross-reference with the risk assessment.
The corrosion on this bearing is severe, likely impacting the structural integrity.
I've documented the stress fractures near the conveyor belt joint.
Keep that pressure steady on the lower joints. Almost done with this section, moving up.
Steady descent, we're almost there. Clear on the east side. And confirmed, bagger is secure on the deck.
All right, she's clear. Take her up slow and straight to the wash bay.
This harness goes directly to the new sensor array.
Okay, I'll route it through the conduit now.
There we are, one more coat should do it.
Excellent work, looks brand new.
Hydraulics pressurized. Beginning motorcycle sequence.
Levels nominal. Verification complete.
Rotational stability holding steady at 0.04.
Acknowledged. Check the bearing temperature on the lower quadrant.
We did it!
Perfect synchronization.
Incredible.
She runs perfectly in this light. The restoration was worth every hour. Look at that output.